How to pin or highlight a post. First of all, what are pinned posts? A pinned post is displayed at the top of your feed to highlight it, regardless of the date. Normally, your posts are ordered by date. That means that your older posts are at the bottom and your newer posts are at the top. But a pinned post gets first of all your posts displayed. You can only pin one post at a time though, so by pinning a post, you are replacing the current pinned post, if any. So, do you have a pinned post? Well, I do. Here you can see that we have this rectangle here with this tag that says pin. This is the title of my post and this post is pinned. We have a little gold star at the right. So this post is pinned. That means that if I preview, you can see that this post create meaningful connections is pinned here, even though this post is newer. That's a pinned post, as simple as that. So, how to pin the post, or how to unpin a post? If you want to unpin a post, just look for the pinned post and click on the gold star and accept. Our post is now unpinned. We don't have any pinned post now. What if I want to pin a post? Just look for the post you want to pin. I'm gonna pin another one, this one, and find the star at the right corner, at the top right corner of your post, and click on it and accept. And that post is now pinned. You can see the title here, and also if you find the post, you can also see that it has a little gold star over there. You can unpin by unpin it here at the bar, at the pin highlight bar, or you can find the post and unpin it by clicking on that gold star. And that's it. We have pinned and unpinned posts. You can even unpin a post like by using this alert here, success post pin. We can click on unpin and we're gonna pin it. But for now, I'm gonna leave it there because I want it to be highlighted. Let's preview, and you can see that my post is at the top, even though it's my oldest post in this account. Okay, there's another way to pin posts, and that's from the editor itself. Let's say I'm creating a new post. Let's create a post by clicking on the add button, and then I'm not gonna fill this post up, I'm just gonna show you where to pin it. As you can see at the bottom of the editor screen, you have different options. Enable comments and reactions and all sort of things. But here you have one that says pin to top of the feed. If you click on it, now this post will be automatically pinned, unpinning any previous pinned posts, as I said before. So if I publish this post, this will be pinned. And that's it. As easy as that. Thank you for watching.